What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I hope y'all are doing amazing, man. I am back with another banger of a video, and Tonic is on its own bull run. We're gonna dive into some Tonic news and updates in this video. If you're interested in this, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. 1,670 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000. Also, check out my Tonic playlist where you could see all these different Tonic videos that I've made, and my Tonic shorts as well, guys. Check out the short videos where I break down into clips bullish things about Tonic. Now, Tonic is super bullish. One of the most bullish projects right now, man, in my opinion, because the chart does not lie. 30,211 people have Tonic on their watch list, up 2%. Another green day for Tonic, man. $24.16 million in market cap and 657K in 24-hour trade volume, up 163%. And look at this chart on the 1 month. After we had this move, this 100% move, it was off to the races, guys. Like, we have just been continuing up further. It is such a bullish pattern. And this is going against the broader markets for Tonic, right? This is why I say you DCA and accumulate into a project like this, because I know for a fact there have been people that have been trying to take profits, but after they take profits, Tonic just goes up and up and up. It just never stops moving to the upside, which is absolutely bullish. Okay, we back with this bullish content. Let's check out the Explorer as well, because the watch list for Tonic has breached above 30K on the watch list. The Explorer is taking a bit of time to load, guys. When that is finished, we'll check it out. But like I said, guys, it is absolutely crazy. And I know Crow, for example, is going absolutely crazy as well. Let's compare it to Crow. Look at that. Tonic is even, moving up while Crow is moving down a bit, and the recent 24-hour, guys, Tonic is being super bullish. Now, obviously, Crow will go crazy in the future as well and absolutely send, and Tonic will follow. But right now, even on the 24-hour chart, we could see that Tonic is moving up even against its lead ecosystem project, its lead blockchain project that it's built on, right? That is so bullish for this project, man. And like I said, Tonic is a low cap project. Since it's a low cap project, it has room to move up so much further in the future. 100x, 200x, even a 400x for Tonic. I would not rule that out. It's depending on how long you are into this project and how long you guys support this project for. But for the next cycle, expect crazy gains in the future for Tonic. Expect life-changing wealth for Tonic. $1,000 invested could go super far, and that's not anything too crazy. Now, as always, not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, and manage your risk. But this is absolutely insane. Let me compare it to Bitcoin as well. I love this update so much because we could clearly see the comparison right here. Okay, so Tonic is literally moving up with Bitcoin, right? And let's check out ETH as well. Yeah, literally moving up with ETH and Bitcoin, following this bullish pattern, guys. I don't know if this is the start of the bull market or not, but I'm telling you guys right now, I'm super upset I didn't bag up more of what I'm bullish on for the cycle. I'm super upset, but it's still pretty early, right? We're just like 100 or so percent from the bottom when you have thousands of percentages to go in the future. So it doesn't really matter, but scoop it up at the lows is always the best, man. I'm telling you. And then you just DCA and diamond hand, right? That's all it is to it. And like I said, this is still a great entry because there's so much room to cover in the future for Tonic. And we could definitely see new all-time highs for Tonic in the future. Who's to rule that out? Nothing is impossible in crypto, guys. You can't rule out anything in crypto. Now if you take a look, see that Tonic addresses have increased once again, 36,234 addresses. People are scooping up their Tonic, and the transactions on the blockchain just keep being constant, right? Every few minutes or so, every time I check a chrono scan, it's just bullish, guys. It's always been bullish, right? Excuse me. If we take a look at the Tonic Twitter, guys, look at that, 56,600 followers on the Tonic Twitter. That is growing as well. I don't know why it had a previous update of 56.2, but you guys could see the increase that is taking place for Tonic, and we love to see this. The community is constantly growing, and the team of Tonic is building and developing, and you know, making new partnerships. We can't forget the recent Vino partnership. They're doing their best, right? And I can see the community is being super active. Even though this tweet was on the 10th, look at this. Shout outs to Elon for the update on how much views a tweet has. 56,700 views on this tweet. That is a lot of people in the Tonic community. That is a lot of people that have helped spread the word of the project, right? And we have the ambassador program that is still to be rolled out as well, right? So super bullish for Tonic. It is absolutely great stuff to see, man. I was going through some of the recent tweets, you know, on Tonic, that like I normally do, from the other Tonic investors. Got that sauce. If you own 1 billion or more Tonic, hit that like button. Hey, we out here, bro. Alfonso, will Tonic be able to do this one day? And from your pop, Sheeb just broke, and now it has 4 zeros, 1 2, and I wouldn't rule that out for Tonic to get to 4 zeros, 1 2. Remember, guys, like I said, as the Chronos ecosystem grows, Tonic is one of the lead altcoins or dApps in the Chronos ecosystem. So you'll see a huge rise in Tonic as Crow starts to develop years from now, right? Years from now, who knows what the price of this project could be in the future, because that is what you call investing. You get your assets, you accumulate your assets, and then you hold on to them for years, for time to pass, for the project to grow and develop, and then you look back and be like, wow, I'm so happy I accumulated, I got in, you know, I bought my projects at this time and was patient, right? The Bitcoin millionaires, the Ethereum millionaires, it didn't happen in the first year or two. It took years for that to happen. So it's all about diamond handing and being patient, right? Once you have great altcoins with great fundamentals, the future is very bright. So I wouldn't rule out a price like this for Tonic. 4 zeros or 5 zeros, 1 2 could definitely happen, right? Tonic crushing it and rising in rank, number 580. So Tonic is rising in rank with its market cap. More and more noise is being made for Tonic, guys. Let me like and retweet these. More and more noise is being made. This is absolutely bullish stuff, guys. I'm telling you. Crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. Hippocrypt, the year is 2030. Tectonic reaches a price of 38 cents, but you didn't buy Tonic in 2022. Don't be you. Buy Tonic so future you is happy. Don't be the crying face. Be the happy face. Not financial advice. Love it, man. Absolutely love it. And this is the thing, right? There's people like Kathy Wood that predicts Bitcoin could be at $1 million in 2030. What would Tonic's price be with a $1 million Bitcoin? Think about that, right? You never know what could happen, because the global financial system, the global economy that we're seeing, the DXY, all these things, the trillions of dollars of US debt, all of these things are adding up, right? And the reason why I'm in crypto is because I really truly believe it is the future. It is a disruptor of sorts. It's a disruptor of finance and the future economy, just like how the internet was, right? You could compare it to the two. You could compare crypto to the internet and how it disrupted everything as we know it when it came to interacting and communicating with each other. It's the same thing with the financial system. Crypto is a disruptor, and eventually it's gonna get to a point, who knows, the dollar could collapse with everything that happens, and Bitcoin could be the new financial asset of the of the world, right? We already see if so many countries making Bitcoin legal tender, and it's happening one by one. Or it could be Ethereum, or it could be Kronos. Kronos could be one of the lead currencies of the world, because it's so great at onboarding new people to the space, right? Where would Tonic's price be when something like that happens? When everyone just gives up on fiat and they decide to be in crypto fully. Fiat is no more a thing. We are not equating Bitcoin to dollars anymore. One Bitcoin, one Bitcoin. One Tectonic, one Tectonic. One crow, right? Telling you guys, man, the future is absolutely bright. I'll have the dip, please, from Crypto Joe. Scooping up that dip. You ain't wrong. And then we have some tweets from the global markets as well, how I always like to close out the videos, guys, from James Choi. I've been screaming from the rooftop that inflation is going to crash along with the market yields. Investors are starting to realize now, right? Super bullish stuff that inflation is coming down. Inflation looks like it has peaked. We've seen it in the recent PCI data, and that's why we had moves in the market to the upside. US money supply growth and inflation, everything is coming down, guys, as you can see from these images, right? Everything is coming down, which will cause the DXY to tumble and cause other global markets to move up. The stock market, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Kronos, Tectonic, it all correlates with each other. And from Matthew Dixon, interestingly, the fifth wave down on DXY, which is itself broken the 5 waves, shows wave 3 shorter than wave 1, and so wave 5 must be shorter than wave 3 according to EW rules, which is Elliott wave theory, right? This limits the immediate dollar index downside and consequently BTC upside from EVI, right? This is that's his company. He's always doing Elliott wave trades, Elliott wave theory, and he's showing that the DXY once again is breaking down. It had its huge parabolic move, and now it's starting to tumble down, and this is why the markets are getting so bullish. Everything correlates to each other, guys. Whoever is telling you the opposite, don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. Everything correlates to each other. Now, if the DXY starts moving back up, expect BTC and the global markets to tumble, right? But right now the DXY is on a downtrend, which consequently means BTC upside, the rest of the altcoins upside as well, right? It's just that simple, right? So when we are going into the next bull cycle, Bitcoin more than likely will be making new all-time highs. So will Ethereum, so will Crow, and so will Tectonic. Thank you guys so much for watching, Tonic fam, Crow fam. Really appreciate you so much for tuning into these videos. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This is your first time hearing about Tonic. I see a lot of new people coming into the Tonic fam because of my videos. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, right? I really appreciate all the comments and the likes. Really helps the channel out, really helps to push the project as well, because this is like free marketing, more and more people finding out the project because of my videos, right? So that's super bullish as well. I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.